Hey girlfriends, Emily Kenison here, founder and inventor of the curling headband. And it has been an extremely long day. I'm exhausted. These are my curls after a full day of being out and about. I wore my curling headband last night, took it out in the morning, and I'm also in Puerto Rico, so things tend to have a lot of humidity, which causes my hair type to kind of just, lose its curl a little more quickly, unfortunately. Either way, I'm exhausted. I don't feel like wetting and brushing my hair, and I just wanted to put together this video because just so you know, sometimes it might not be as obvious until someone says it. Just so you know, you can always just rewrap your hair at the end of the night to give it that revival of the curl. So that's what I'm just going to do. Take your hair, wrap it around, and this way, when I wake up tomorrow, the curls will be back intact because you had already set it the night before and had done the water or however is best to set your hair. If you haven't checked out our My Hair page on the website, please do check that out. We go through so many different hair types with specific tips and tricks and the amount of water and products and wrap techniques. But yeah, if you did all the steps, the night before, then your hair has already formed that pattern using the right water amount and the right products. And so the next day, if you just want to rewrap it, you can. You don't have to keep adding more product to it. You don't have to add more water to it even. It's going to naturally just start to reform that shape. And I'm tired, so I just want to go to bed. So I'm just going to quickly rewrap it. And while this video might seem not the most necessary, sometimes it's just helpful to have someone point out something that's obvious. I've been there many times. So if this has helped you, please just leave a quick comment below so I know I'm not alone in that world. And if you want more tips and tricks, please do subscribe to our tutorial channel, our RobeCurls YouTube channel. We are constantly updating it and trying to give all of our awesome curl friends all the answers to their many questions. So if you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out. We are here for you. And as always, thank you so much for being our curl friend and being a part of this journey. We would not be here today if it wasn't for you, and we cannot thank you enough. So happy curling. Thank you for being our curl friend, and I am off to bed. I hope you have a wonderful evening yourself, or day, depending on where you are.